Hello everyone. Despite the fact that the iPhone 14 series appears to have undergone a lot of modifications, the photography department may not have received much of an improvement. Instead, the long anticipated telephoto camera is slated to debut in the iPhone 15. According to reports, Apple will upgrade its iPhone 15 line with periscope zoom, making it its first phone series to do so. The internet giant will need to collaborate with a major vendor, which it is reportedly already doing, in order to make that viable. In order to produce the sensor that Apple will utilize for the periscope camera system in the iPhone released in 2023. A South Korean business may soon be constructing new manufacturing lines, currently known as the iPhone 15. Apple's new partner would reportedly be known in addition to Java Electronics, according to the most recent report by the ELEC. According to reports, the corporation intends to invest $156 million in the construction of factories to manufacture new periscopic sensors by 2023, including optical picture stabilization. Given the amount of the expenditure and the frequency with which Apple requests that its supplier construct production lines specifically for its requirements, there is a good chance that the two businesses are collaborating. It's interesting to notice that Samsung also received Java supply and optical image stabilization module. Fans of Apple will likely have to wait until the iPhone 15 to see the American company choose a periscope for its handsets, which is bad for them. Periscope lenses are nothing new. Many Android smartphones already have one. They do fit in contemporary slim phones and allow the optics assembly of longer telephoto cameras to be mounted horizontally. Given that the majority of them provide high-end smartphones with 5x or 10x optical zoom, Apple would thus continue to lag behind its primary competitors in the Android market the following year. On the iPhone 15, in addition to the cameras, there is another intriguing feature. According to a Brazilian publication called Blog the iPhone 15 Pro will only use eSIM technology for connectivity and lack a traditional SIM card port. The insider further asserts that new iPhones will allow dual SIM, enabling users to have two lines open at once. Uncertainty exists according to non-Pro model use of actual SIM card slots or relying solely on eSIM port. It's hardly shocking that Apple plans to remove the SIM card slot given that the tech giant will eventually switch to a portless iPhone. It appears that the first step in their road would be to remove the SIM card slot. However, even if Apple does introduce an iPhone without a real SIM card slot, we might still see it offered in regions where a SIM service is not accessible. However, 2023 is a long way off, so it's better to hold off on taking this information as official until it has been confirmed by reputable industry sources. At last, we have confirmation that Samsung Display is actively developing a new under-display camera technology that will first appear on the Galaxy Fold 5 and will eventually reach Apple's 6th generation iPhone. Therefore, for at least 2 years, the sensor required for face identification will always be readily visible at the top of the screen. That implies that the iPhone 15 won't have any significant design changes. However, the periscope lens is likely a strong reason to pass on the iPhone 14 because the periscope zoom alone makes the upgrade worthwhile. Everything is pointing to this being their big launch in 2023. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Additionally, spread the word about the movie to your friends. Thanks for viewing and best of luck.